Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Friday, the 20th of December. My disclaimer: I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right? Okay, let's have a look. We've got Bitcoin. Obviously had a nasty decline yesterday, went through the daily middle band and got all the way down to the 200 DMA, the 50 DMA, which is at 91,807. Chances are we're going to see a bounce, not because we've made the RSI 14 sell signal target, which I'm thinking will likely make at least a possible near miss target after this, but I'm leaning strongly towards seeing a bounce here on equities, and so far I'm thinking this is going to go with it, as it has often been doing in the last few days. We've got a possible RSI 14 buy signal brewing on the alley, and I'm leaning towards the upside. So I would note that we're at a potential head and shoulder neckline, and that could be to form the right shoulder on that head and shoulders. Be watching that carefully, but if that is the case, the ideal right shoulder high would be in about the 104K area. So we will see how that goes. All right, looking at Solana. Solana broke 200, which I was sad about because it really was a nice setup to get it back, take it back to the highs, and it got all the way back down to 175. This is also likely to bounce imminently. We've made the possible near miss target on the day on the sell signal on the daily, but we've got an RSI 14 buy signal fixed. We're not at an obvious neckline, but this would be a good area to bounce, and we've got the signals for it, and equities certainly look as though they are about to bounce. We've got a 15-minute RSI 14 buy signal fixed as well. No obvious reversal pattern. Looking at Ethereum, we've got a sell signal here too, and that too hasn't reached the possible near miss target. We've gone through the 50 DMA on it. I don't have the same kind of positive divergence that we've got here. And what I do have here that we don't have on the others is a downside target, which hasn't been made yet. Hang on, I'm just going to pencil that in, so to speak. All right. That target is significantly lower, but I'm thinking we can see a bounce and come back. But as I said, Bitcoin and Solana are showing real signs of bouncing here in terms of RSI divergence. We haven't got that on Ethereum yet. If this was to go to the target directly, that target is in the 2900 area. But I'm thinking this is probably going to bounce with the others, but less certainty because we don't really have the positive divergence. We will see how it goes today. So, but equities look as though they are just about to bounce, and bounce pretty strongly, and probably through the through Christmas into a decline afterwards. I'm thinking it's I'm leaning towards the cryptos doing the same, just because they have been following the market recently, and so I'm not expecting the market to be finished entirely to the upside, but we may well be in a topping process. Wondering whether this is going to disengage from the market. Otherwise, that could be true, obviously, of crypto as well. In the short term, though, we haven't reached these targets. I am expecting to see more downside later, but short term, this looks like a rally, and that's what I'm expecting to see. All right, everyone, have a great weekend. I'll catch you guys on Monday. Oh, and watch out for posts. I'm likely doing one today.